the chain rule indirectly. And this all comes from lesson 12, the chain rule. So we've already looked at what the chain rule is, okay? And now we're looking at using it indirectly. I really like the chain rule. It's pretty amazing how it works. And it can really simplify some more complex calculus problems when you have to differentiate functions. Okay, so we've got this function here, y is equal to 2x take 3 all to the 4. Now what they're asking for is, can you differentiate dy by dx? Okay, now we can see, how do you do that? You could expand this is the power of 4, so you could turn this into 4 brackets and expand. What we are going to do is use something called dummy variable to simplify this problem and use chain rule. So I have that 2x take 3, and what I'll do is actually I'll highlight that. Now this part here, I'm going to call u. So this is our dummy. And what does a dummy do? It simplifies our problem. So now I can rewrite my y. Y is equal to u to the 4. Now we know how to differentiate that function, don't we? dy by du. The thing is, we still want to differentiate in terms of dy by dx. Okay, so here we go. I know that dy by du is 4u to the 3, right? Now, we're going to use our chain rule like we learned from last lesson. I still want to find dy by dx. We know that's going to be dy by du. That's the function we have. And then remember chain rule. If I times that by du by dx, I'm finding dy by dx. So therefore, I'm just going to plug in. Okay. So do we have du by dx yet? No, but we do have u up here. Du by dx in this case will just be simply 2. So now we can find our answer. Dy by du is 4u to the 3 times by du by dx, which is 2. Okay, now I'm just running out of space here. So this is going to be 8u to the 3. We want to get rid of that u. Now remember, u was 2x take 3. So you just sub in 8, 2x take 3, all cubed. And that's your answer. Okay, now I'm going to do the one below, and then I want you to have a go at the your turns there. Okay, so here we go once more. We want to simplify this problem. So I'm going to call this bit here u is equal to 3x squared plus 4. Next step, restate. It's now just simply u to the 5. And now let's use our chain rule. Dy by dx, which is what we want to work out, is dy by du times by du by dx. Dy by du, we can see this is our y is equal to u to the 5. If we differentiate that in terms of u, it's going to be 5u to the 4 times by, and then du by dx, which is over here, is going to go to 6x. Okay. Next thing is we want to collect our terms. You've got 5 times 6, which is 30. And we're going to replace our u with 3x squared plus 4x. Okay. And don't forget to the power of 4. Okay. That's that bit there. Next step, I just like to collect that x term there. Okay, like that, just to show that at the front. So there we go. We've just used chain rule to help us differentiate this function by incorporating a dummy variable. It simplifies a problem which we can differentiate, and then we can find the answer. I want you to go at the your turns now. So basically pause the videos and then we'll go through the answers. So yeah, pause the video, have a crack at these and press play when you think you've got it. Okay, we're going to go through the answers here. First step, you should say u is equal to 3x plus 2, y is equal to u to the 5. Now we want to differentiate in terms of x. dy by du is going to be 5u to the 4 times by du by dx, which is just simply 3. 15u to the 4, sub in our original value of u. There's our answer. Next one, sorry, u is equal to x squared plus 2, y is equal to u to the 3, dy by dx is equal to dy by du times by du by dx. This is going to become 3u squared times by and then 2x. We're going to replace that u there with this value over here. So it's now going to become 6, and then you've got x, so that's that bit there, and times in those numbers together, times by u squared, x squared plus 2 all squared. And then we can get rid of that times sign. There we go, that's our answer, 6x times by x squared plus 2 all squared. So hopefully you went well there. I'm just going to double check my answers as well and see if I'm on the right track. So 15, yep. Great. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hopefully this video is useful. In the next video, we'll be looking at chain rule and finding a shortcut for doing these kinds of problems. And that's why the chain rule is very, very useful. Thank you.